Hello, and the problem is to compute the prefix sums of an input array. For example, for the array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the prefix sums are 1, 3, 6, 10, and 15. The value at each index is in the output is the sum of all values up to that index in the input. This technique is foundational for various applications in data processing and computer science. This is the JavaScript function for calculating the prefix sums. First, we initialize an empty array to store the prefix sums. Second, for each index in the input array, we compute the sum of all elements from index 0 up to the current index using a nested loop. Finally, the result is stored in the output array, which is returned at the end. The test cases show how the function works for different input arrays. Here's the step-by-step process for calculating prefix sums. We start by initializing an empty output array. Then, for each index in the input array, we calculate this cumulative sum up to that index using a nested loop. We then store the result in the output array and repeat for all indices. This method ensures that every prefix sum is computed correctly. Let's analyze some examples. For the array of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the prefix sums are 1, 3, 6, 10, and 15. For the input array of 1, 2, -3, 4, and 5, the prefix sums are 1, 3, 0, 4, and 9. This approach works for arrays with both positive and negative numbers, as the sums are calculated iteratively. The ESX version of the function uses ArrayMap to compute prefix sums in a single line. We maintain a running total and update it for each element of the array. The result is an array of prefix sums, calculated efficiently and concisely. In summary, we've learned how to calculate prefix sums in JavaScript using loops and the map method. This technique is versatile and has many applications, from data analysis to solving complex programming problems efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.